Let's face it, relationships and marriages can be both joyful and also very stressful. And the day you decide to enter into a serious relationship or to get engaged or to get married, no one hands you a manual with all the answers that shows you how to deal with all the challenges that you're going to face in your relationship in the future. Now, couples come and see me for marriage or relationship counseling, usually for the following reasons. They either feel disconnected, or there's a bunch of issues that they've been fighting about that they are struggling to sort out, or there's a traumatic incident that has happened, like infidelity or a miscarriage, or they are an engaged couple that are preparing for a successful marriage. Now, for whatever reason you decide to come and see me for marriage or relationship counseling, it's important for me that you know two key things. Number one, I'm not a referee. I'm not going to tell you who's right or who's wrong. And number two, my job is to take you through a process that helps you figure out who you are as a partner, who you are as a couple, where you are right now as a couple in your marriage or your relationship, what the dynamics or behavioral patterns are that's keeping you stuck, and also what the tools and the skills are that you need to move yourselves forward so that you can end up in a space where your marriage or relationship is giving you purpose, meaning, and a space where you feel connected and loved. I'm looking forward to our first conversation. I'm Rudolf van Schoor from Coaching Cape Town.